Okay, today we'll try to see about the cubic sequences. Okay, when we say cubic sequence, the type of sequence in which the third difference is constant. Okay, in case of linear sequence, the type of sequence in which the first difference is constant, and in case of quadratic sequence, the type of sequence in which the second difference is constant, and in this case, cubic sequence is the type of sequence in which the third difference is constant. Okay, the general form of cubic sequence is, okay, that is Tn, which is equal to an cubed plus bn square plus cn plus d, where a is different from 0 and a, b, c, d are any constant number. Okay, so in this case, how can we find the values of a, b, c and d? እነኚህን ኮፊሸንቶችን እንዴት ነው የምንፈልገው ነው። ኩቢክ ሲኩዌንስ የምንለው it of these forms. Okay, cubic ማለት 3 ነው። ስለዚህ an cube plus bn square plus cn plus d። ኳድራቲክ ሲኩዌንስ ከሆነ ደግሞ an square plus bn plus c ነበር የምናደርገው። ስለዚህ cubic sequence is the of these forms. Okay, of these general forms. So in this case, how can we find the values of a, b, c and d? Okay, now, okay, let's list some terms of this sequence. Okay, for example, t1, okay, that is the first terms of this cubic sequence. Okay, that means inserting the value 1 in place of n. Okay, t1 means the first terms of this arithmetic sequence. And then the 1 cube is 1, 1 square is 1, so t1 is a plus b plus c plus d. T2 means the second terms of this cubic sequence. That is t cube is 8, that is 8a plus t square is 4, that is 4b plus 2c plus d. T3 means the third terms of this cubic sequence. That means the n value 3, that is the third term, means replacing the values of n, that is 3. 3 cube is 27, 27a plus 3 square is 9b plus 3c plus d. T4 means the fourth terms of the given cubic sequence. 4 cube is 64, right? 64a plus 4 square is 16b plus 4c plus d. T5 means the fifth terms of this cubic sequence. That is 5 cube is 125a plus 5 square is 25b plus 5c plus d. And let's continue like this one. Okay, the nth terms of the cubic sequence is an cube plus bn square plus cn plus d. Now, by using these terms, እነኝህን ተርሞች ተጠቅመን እስቲ እንዴት ነው የኤን የቢን የሲ እና የዲን ቫልዩ የምናገኘው? Okay, how can we get the coefficient of this one by using these terms? Okay, so let's find the difference between each consecutive terms now. That is t2 minus t1. t2 minus t1, 8a minus a is 7a. 4b minus b is 3b. 2c minus c is c. d minus d is 0. t3 minus t2, that is 27a minus 8a is, that is 19a. 9b minus 4b is 5b. 3c minus 2c is c. d minus d is 0. The next one is t4 minus t3. That is 64a minus 27a is 37a. 7a plus 16b minus 9b is, that is 7b. 4c minus 3c is, which is c. The next one is t5 minus t4. That is the fourth term. 125a minus 64a is, that is 61a, right? 61a plus 25b minus 16b is that is 9b. 5c minus 4c is, that is c. Now, in this case, if this one is constant or the same, the sequence is linear sequence. But in this case, it is not the same. Okay, this one 7a plus 3b plus c, 19a plus 5b plus c. So this is not constant, so it's not linear sequence. Let's pass to the next difference. Okay, so let's take the difference between this one. 19a minus 7a is, that is 12a, right? 12a. Again, let's take this one. 12a and 5b minus 3b is 2b. This one. 37a minus 37a minus 19a is, that is 37 minus 19. That is 17 minus 9 is 8. 1/8. That is 18a. 7b minus 5b is 2b. The final one is this one. The difference of this one. 61 minus 37 is 61 minus 37. That is 61 37. That is 11 minus 7 is 4. 5 minus, that is 24. 24a. 24a. 9b minus 7b is 2b. Again, if this one is constant or the same, it is quadratic sequence, but they are not the same again. So let's continue again. Let's take the difference between this one. 18a minus 12a is 6a. 2b minus 2b is 0. Again, the difference of this one. 24a minus 18a is 6a. 2b minus 2b is 0. That means we get the constant in the third difference. Okay, so when the third difference is constant, it is called cubic sequence. Okay, so from this one, let's find the values of, let's generalize the formula, the way how to find the values of a, b, c, and d. Okay, now from this one, 6a is equal to the third difference. Third difference. 6a is equal to third difference, and 12a plus 2b is equal to, just you can get this one, the second difference. Okay, that is second difference. Second difference. The other one is 7a plus 3b plus c is equal to, that is first difference. And the final one is the first term, that is a plus b plus c plus d is equal to, that is the first term. So by using this one, we can find the values of a, b, c, and d. So based on this one, let's do one example. Okay, so the sequence is this one, that is 8, 15, 34, 71, then 132, like this one. So find the nth terms of this sequence. Okay, so for doing this one, the first step is we have to find what kind of sequence it is. So let's find the common difference that exists between each consecutive terms. And this one, 15 minus 8 is 7, and then this one, 34 minus 15 is, that is 19, and in this one, 71 minus 34 is, that is 37, and the next one is 132 minus 71 is, that is 61. So from this one, the sequence is not linear sequence because the difference between each consecutive term is not constant. Let's pass the next one. 19 minus 7 is 12. And this one, 37 minus 19 is, 37 minus 19 is, which is 18. And in this one, 61 minus 37, that is 61 minus 37, that is 11 minus 7 is, that's 4, 24, which is 24. Again, this sequence is not quadratic sequence because the second difference is not constant, because this one is the first difference, this one is the second difference, and let's check the third difference. The third difference, which is 18 minus 12 is, that is 6. 24 minus 18 is 6, which is constant. It means this sequence is the cubic sequence, and it has the general form of this one. Tn is equal to n cubed plus bn squared plus cn plus d. So by using these formulas, we can find the values of a, b, c, and d. Okay, so that is 6a is equal to the third difference. That is 6a. The third difference is 6. This implies a is equal to what? Both are divided by 6. The next one is 12a plus 2b is equal to the second difference. The second difference, which is 7. Okay, you can take this one. That is 12a. A is 1. 12 into 1 plus 2b is equal to the second difference is, the second difference is 12. Okay, this one. Okay, you can take this part. Okay, 6, 12. This one is the third difference. This one is the second difference. This one is the first difference, and this one is the first term. Okay, part that man apply. Then the second difference is 12. So 2b is equal to 12 times 1 is 12 itself. Then 12 minus 12, which is equal to 0. This implies b is equal to 0. The next one is 7a plus 3b plus c, which is equal to the first difference, which is, first difference is 7. Okay, take 7. So a is 1, 7 into 1 plus 3b is 0 plus c, which is equal to 7. This implies 7 times 1 is 7 itself. So c is equal to 7 minus 7, which is equal to 0. The last one is, the last one is the first term, that is a plus b plus c plus d, which is equal to the first term, which is 8. The values of a is 1 plus the value of b is 0, the value of c is 0 plus d is equal to 8. That is, d is equal to 8 minus 1, which is 7. So we have get all coefficients of the cubic sequence. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 0, c is equal to 0, and d is equal to 7. So the general form of cubic sequence is this one: Tn an cubed plus bn squared plus cn plus d. The values of a is 1, a times n cubed is n cubed itself, plus b is 0, 0 times n squared is 0, c times c is 0, c times 0 is c times 0 times n is 0 cell, plus d, which is 7. That means the general form of this cubic sequence is n cubed plus 7. Let's check it. Okay, T1 means 1 cube plus 7. 1 cube is 1 itself, 1 plus 7 is 8. T2, which is T cube. 2 cube means 8. 8 plus 7 is 15. Yes. T3 means 3 cube. That is 27. 27 plus 7 is 34. T4. means 4 cube. 4 cube is 64. 64 plus 7 is 71, which is this one. It means this our general formula is correct. Okay, so the cubic sequence will have these forms.